everybody, it's Lindsay. You can see I'm not actually in the arcade itself right now. I'm in the back because I'm changing out all of the air filters that we've put on these fans. So, let me see, I have one still put together right here. What we're doing here is we have a filter so lovingly duct taped on this box fan. If you were looking for, if you're looking for a way to make an air filter that is basically super cheap and not having to go buy an air filter, maybe you already have a box fan, maybe you already have some air filters around your house. You can put one of these air filters on the back of a box fan, and it actually does a really good job of purifying the air as you're circulating it in and out of the house. Atticus's task is to find those numbers. Huh?
The numbers?
Yeah, because I don't remember where I pulled the fans from.
Oh, okay.
So I gotta go match them back. So tell him to find where those go so we can put it back. I have a helper today.
Alright.
Okay, so first off, your filter. If you look at this filter right here, it says it is hospital grade. Bacteria, mold, dust mites, all that stuff. In general, like in life, I recommend filtering your air as much as you can, especially for somebody who has allergies like me. But also this helps drastically with cutting down on the amount of viral load in your air, right? So we've got our filter, and this is a 20 by 20, which pretty much fits on my box fan. Alright, so obviously, you want to put this on the back of the fan, so find where your plug is, and then match it up. Now, let me see, can you see? I'm going to move this down just a little bit. I have like ridiculous stuff in the way here. There we go. Alright, so the first thing you can do is, if you don't have super cool huge rubber bands like I do, then just get your duct tape and do like 2 on the side so that you can keep this in place first. Like I said, on the back, and then we'll just do 1 on the side here. There we go. Now we have to do that first because we're then going to take our duct tape and we're going to go all the way around so that it will be airtight. Oh wait, hold on. Can't forget, see where it says airflow? Gotta check that. Make sure that that's going in the right direction also. Okay, so we've got our airflow going in the right direction for the filter. We've got it taped to the back. And we've now secured the sides so that it will be correctly placed. Now, we want to do duct tape all the way around so that way everything is getting sucked through here and there's no air getting to the sides. So I like to try and do one side at a time because it's really hard to get duct tape to do right when you have a really long piece of it. So there we go. Just like that. Okay. I haven't been able to tear this very well, this duct tape. Go. Now we have like 25 fans at least all around the arcade. So as you guys probably have already seen from all the stuff we put out there, what's really important for COVID is just to circulate your air. You know, it's great to keep things clean just in general, but the big way of transmission for COVID is that it's airborne. So what we have around here is we have all these fans set up, and we have our back door open and we have our front door open. And that way, the air is circulating through, I think it's like every 6 minutes at this point. So you have that, plus our air purifiers, plus these Redneck Air Purifiers, as I like to call them. And that way, the air is super, super great in here. I wish that everyone could do the extent of the stuff that we've done, but we know that it's hard to buy air purifiers and fans and all that. So this is by far the cheapest way to effectively circulate and purify your air. So now that I'm done here, you'll see fan, box on the back. It's got the airflow going the right direction, and it's duct taped all the way around for a seal So I'll go plug this in and keep going on. If you guys have any questions about how to do this or why to do this or anything like that, just comment. Thanks for watching.